Hey everyone, welcome back to Deep Blue Garage. Today we're going to be casting the emblems for the hood of the 78 F100. So first of all, I'd like to thank Nico Costello for sending my brother the file so that he could print the word Ford even though it's spelled wrong. So we got a homemade casting oven. What would you call this?
Foundry furnace?
Foundry furnace. That's what it is. There's words there. So see the aluminum melted in there. I'm not going to hold the camera over there for very long, otherwise I won't have a camera. But we're going to be taking the 3D print. It was printed in PLA, doesn't really matter, but we're going to be putting it in the mold, and then we'll fill the sand with mold. And alright, so once we put the sand in there with the plastic, I think we spoon in the aluminum with that, and then I don't know what we do after that. Maybe we flip it a couple times with the pizza flipper, and then maybe we hit it or something. I don't know what we're doing. My brother's gonna walk me through this process, and yeah, we got a paintbrush too, but I don't know what that does. So we're gonna walk through the process, and y'all will get to see how we're doing it, and then they will be done, I guess. So hope you enjoy the process. I'm completely clueless at this, so I am learning as we go. Thanks. Enjoy. F. So this over there.
So casting a door.
Casting a door. So board, rod. So we're gonna cast our rod into the box. Oh, it's sprinkling so much better now. Without chunks in it. And because there are no chunks in it.
Well, I mean...
Listen, I'm the expert. See?
No.
Just have a look really close at it.
Really?
Yeah. You're doing alright.
Thanks.
Do we need to put any nuts in it?
I don't think so.
Okay.
This is not a mechanical project, and also hopefully not a volcano project.
This is a drill, this is a drill.
Also no. More sand.
More sand! Now
Your
we
scraper.
Oh. All right. Now we flip it
Flip like a pancake.
and do this guy. I wasn't pushing out at all.
Yeah, but you shouldn't be. Just kind of riding top. Let him come at me. I'll hit him with the number 2.
Did you?
No, the number 2 pencil.
Number 2 screwdriver?
I mean, got
The
there
number
too.
2 pencil. Killed 2 guys with a pencil.
Or a twisted tea.
So now we're gonna light the furnace and make it go boop. Boop.
Little backfire never hurt anybody.
It's snowing. Fire. So now we got the first side done, and we put some little dimples in there that are going to end up being where we fill and vent it from. We got some baby powder on there to keep the layers from sticking together, and we got our doodads in there that are going to be end up coming out, and those are going to be our letters. So let's get the other side done. So now we got both sides packed in, and now we're going to make the holes for our vent. Alright, so now we've got all these connected. Let's see, I think we're pouring in from here, and then it'll go through the O and from the D to the O and the R, and then come out the O and the R, and then go to our vent hole right there, and then something will happen. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So we got the furnace fired up, and it's quite toasty in there. So we're using just whatever cans we could find.
Conveniently, that's a bang port.
Yes, and hopefully this doesn't go bang. And then just drop it in.
Yeah.
And it's gone. That can is already completely melted. So we'll put about another 1,000 cans in there, and we'll be ready to pour.
Alright. How's that pour bang part?
That looks beautiful.
Right.
Looks
Take
beautiful.
this and carve the edge
Yep.
at the lowest point of that down.
To do what? To make it go in there?
Turn on light. It's probably running low.
What's the
Well,
goal?
hold on. We can do it.
I don't know what the
this.
goal is.
Rounding it. You don't have to do it with that. You can do it with your finger. So, round that edge.
Like yay?
Look, it's a pencil eraser.
A pencil.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
We'll clean out the buttholes. Look what we got here though.
What do we got there? Beautifulness. Nope. We
No.
don't have beautifulness. So I have to clean that out.
Dust.
Close your eyes. Okay. We put the powder in there?
Hmm?
We put the powder
No.
in? No. Okay. Now, do you want to put...
I would use that.
No, but I didn't know if you want me to put anything in the hole. No, not
No.
that. Not that.
No.
Just that.
Yeah. So this is going to work.
It's gonna work.
Well, once we get those, well,
What? What's up?
I want to pack that hole, but I think it'll be okay.
I think it'll be okay. Hopefully.
So,
Because this loss right here is right there.
yeah.
Yeah, so.
That. That.
We're good.
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
Well,
And there's a cookie sheet right there. Right in. Make it another now.
gas vents.
Just made that up.
No, it's actually a real thing. Because I'm really worried about gas entrapment here and here. So basically metal comes around
Yep.
and traps gas here.
Gotcha. Just tell them to go to the outsides.
Ibuprofen, go to the hurty spots.
Yes.
No! Alright,
Alright. So,
layer back on it.
works.
do its bubbly thing?
No?
Did it even drop in?
A little bit. Yeah, it's starting to bubble.
Kind of stirred up.
Seems a little bit too big to roll in there.
Also, don't leave that on the side of the bucket. Oh, plasma. You see it?
A little bit, yeah.
Sorry for my butt in the camera.
That's so soft.
Yeah. Technically, you're forging right now.
Forged in fire.
And you broke it.
I broke it.
Leave it alone.
I was gonna put it in the water.
And you got the cable on fire.
That's pretty impressive. Alright, so we're done with this?
Yeah. But don't lean it in it. Yep, throw in the grass. Hey!
Quenched, we made a sword! Alright.
Alright, spaceman gloves.
Spaceman gloves. Oh, it's my butt.
I hope you didn't just hit the garden hose with that.
It was close. I could see the garden hose in the glow.
Nice. So, lay that on its side, right there.
Yep. Can I rest it up against the doohickey?
No.
Okay. What if I want to catch a doohickey on fire?
No.
This is resting on its side now.
Turn it the other way. Oh, you kicked the thing out of the way.
Yeah, I did.
Get you a chunk of dross and throw it in there.
It's good now. Okay, I need those. Yes, they are glowy. Alright, so now
Lifting tongs.
coming up on here. Oh, part of the canvas down here. The whole can did not melt into the.
Alright.
God, it's so cool. You can see through it.
You can't see through it.
You see, most certainly can see through that. You can see the aluminum wiggling. Oh no.
No, that's the heat coming up through that. Come over to this side with the pouring tongs.
Okay. Got our pouring tongs.
And Eric's bud. Oh, sorry for the jarring, but alright. Aim for the big hole. I would pour them towards your right.
What do you mean?
Like pour towards your right. Pour in here towards your right. Any leftover goes in that pyramid. Good. Beautiful. Set it back on that fire break. Get your lifting tongs. Lower it back into the furnace. Spaceman glove the lid back on. Bite crack. There you go. Best part, we didn't have a blowout through the blowhole.
Alright, so we just got the pour done. And that's aluminum right there. You can see it starting to crystallize and solidify. And then that's all jiggly still. You see it jiggling. That is liquid aluminum right there. And then it came out the vent over there. So if all went well inside, that was the last place it would have come out. I guess we shall see.
If not, we have backup aluminum.
Yep. And then we poured all the rest of the aluminum that we didn't use into the pie maker, and we made an aluminum pie. So now I'll just let it cool down and see how it turns out. Make sure. Yep. Alright, so we already got the casting done, or we got the casting poured. And now we're going to take it apart and we'll see what we get.
That's promising.
Yes, it is. Okay.
Okay. Are we? Okay.
Poke it with it.
From the other side. Right. Get a little bit down in that bottom corner, down towards my right thumb. And a tap with the channel.
Is this dirt or on metal?
Metal. Take this.
Yeah. Don't look at it. Don't look at it yet.
I'm not. Breaking the dirt up. It's all in one piece, which is a good sign.
Now.
Grab it with your mechanical finger.
Okay, and then into the water?
No, not yet. Now into the water. Yes, you got it.
You gonna dump that out? Alright. See what we got. I think
We got a rod.
I think we have a rod. That's for a hot rod. And it is definitely a hot rod right now. But I think that was successful. That is my brother's first 3-piece casting, and we had a little hiccup, but we fixed it. And
got a little bit of extra material here to take out.
yeah, but we can get that out with a file. That's no biggie. But all in all, I am so happy with how that turned out. So all that's left will be cleaning it up, getting all the aluminum off of here, or all the spare aluminum off of here, and then cleaning it up, and then it'll be ready for the truck. That is the casting process that we used. I'm sure that some of y'all might do it differently, but we did it and we were successful, and couldn't be happier. So thanks everyone for watching Deep Blue Garage. Hope you enjoyed the casting process. I know I learned some new stuff here, and I'm really excited about this. It's fun to be able to put more custom touches on this truck. So, all right, see y'all next time.